At Highway and Heavy Parts, we know fuel systems, and we carry quality parts from reputable suppliers to ensure you're getting the best. That's why we're proud to carry genuine Bosch components, like this unit pump system for the Mack E7. Want to know more? Today I'm going to take you through how the system works and why purchasing genuine Bosch components from Highway and Heavy Parts is the best choice for your diesel engine. First, we'll talk a little bit about how these types of systems work. So the electronic unit pump system we're looking at today is for the Mack E7. We often see these types of fuel systems on smaller diesel engines like compact tractors. It's really an individual PFR. This component goes into the side of the block and it runs off the camshaft. We may still have a camshaft, but we've taken the injection pump, basically broken it down into 6 individual injection pumps. They can all be serviced individually. So on an inline 6 pump system, if one part fails, you're still looking at a pretty complicated repair. You have to tear it all down, and you're probably looking at 9 to 10 hours time to rebuild the pump. This particular pump for the Mack E7 usually has 2 bolts and a fuel line. That means you can just pull it out, put a new one in, so you have a system that's better serviceability and less cost, and it's easier to diagnose issues with. When the shift from inline to unit pumps began, it was probably most common to see them on Mack and Mercedes engines. These systems are more service friendly, especially for people who aren't familiar with pulling injection pumps off, timing the pump, and everything that goes into that repair. Diagnosis is also easier, as you can pull a piece off and swap it from hole to hole and see if the problem follows. This allows you to see where the bad portion of your system is. We get a lot of calls from customers about their pumps asking, how do I line up the gears? How do I time this injection pump system? And this takes away all those problems. With the unit pump for the Mack E7, you'll be getting long service life, easy and quickly adjusted injection quantity, and improved combustion. You also get improved compliance with emissions regulations. We want to bring you the best parts for your diesel engine. That's why Highway and Heavy Parts carries genuine Bosch components. This electronic unit pump system has been manufactured with the latest and greatest upgrades to components and specifications. It's built to meet or exceed OEM performance using the latest OEM technology and tooling available. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and expert advice from ASE certified technicians at Highway and Heavy Parts, we take the risk out of buying parts. If you have any other questions about your unit pump or any other parts, you can call me or any of the other ASE certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453. Have your engine serial number ready for ordering, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like our Facebook page and hit the subscribe button on YouTube to stay up to date with all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.